Bezos, Jeff. The price of a SHIBA INU in 2023. How realistic are expectations for the SHIBA INU token? Can you update me on the most recent happenings in the world of this digital currency? In today's video, we'll discuss these issues and more. Greetings, and thank you for tuning into the channel for the Wealthy Coin. Don't miss the next video by not liking this one and subscribing to the channel. Currently, the 24-hour trading volume for SHIBA INU is $301 million USD, and the price is 11 cents. Our USD price for SHIB is always up to date. The value of SHIBA INU has dropped by 2.47% in the last day, and SHIB investors are still holding out for a new high. Both asset volatility and trade volume have been trending downward over the past few days. A price that is contained inside a very small range is sometimes interpreted as a precursor to a subsequent significant breakthrough, indicating that the consolidation phase preceded the new movement. Within this time frame, the SHIB price created a tight trading range between the levels of 50 cents as support and 55 cents as resistance. The pair's successful breakout of the descending triangle suggests the downturn has halted for the time being. SHIB coin can resume its climb if bulls are actively trading it. Joke digital currency Japanese SHIBA INU as the broader market has been affected by the failure of the cryptocurrency exchange. SHIB has traded sideways for the past few weeks. SHIB is gaining popularity among investors, as evidenced by the growing number of holders, despite its failure to stage a sustained upswing. Specifically, as of the 11th of December. At the end of December, there were 1,258,320 SHIB holders, an increase of around 7,083 over the 1,251,237 holders recorded at the beginning of the month. In this instance, Etherscan reports that SHIB has gained an average of 643 new holdings every day in the month of December. The November drop was severe, and shareholders are working hard to get back to where they were. For instance, in the final week of November, the asset lost about 9,000 investors. Significantly, SHIB price has spent much of December trading in the red zone, with the asset seems unable to locate a bottom that would begin an upswing. At the time of publication, one SHIBA INU was worth 992 cents, down from $0.93 at the month's beginning. According to the monthly graph, the token's value peaked on December 5 at 99 cents. It's important to note that the amount of money made by holders of SHIB reflects the current pricing. A FIN Bold study from the 21st of November indicated that over 76% of stockholders were in loss while only 15% were in profit. SHIB has fallen significantly from its 2021 highs, and tokens have been hit hard by the market downturn. The FTX disaster scuttled any hopes of a rising trend. On the other hand, any word of widespread network adoption is likely to be good for SHIB. Actually, the coin got some much-needed support after Elon Musk bought Twitter, because there's been talk that she would be added as a payment option on the massive social media platform. Yet SHIBA INU has failed to completely benefit from the shift. Yet, the SHIB community on CoinMarketCap is still optimistic about the future of the commodity. The community has forecasted that SHIB will trade at 11 cents by the end of the year using the price estimate tool. According to FIN Bold, a machine learning algorithm taking into account a number of technical factors expects the decentralized finance to fee asset to trade at 10 cents on December 31, 2022. SHIBA INU has been on a downward trend for over a year after hitting an all-time high, but the token whales don't seem to care. One of the top SHIB whales just dropped cash on an eloquent blog in exchange for a 2.8 trillion token, providing further proof of their unwavering devotion to the platform. When the current value of SHIB is factored into the total, the Etherscan transaction shows a total of $26.12 billion. It's important to remember that this whale had a terrible reputation for snatching up massive numbers of SHIB. To be sure, I checked the wallet twice. As it turned out, the whale amassed SHIB worth almost $2.3 million between November 9 and November 10. SHIB proved that he was still in a useless condition after the operation. As a result, the meme coin only managed a 24-hour gain of 1.57%. Moving average convergence divergence, MACD analysis of the daily chart indicated that SHIB has the potential to regain prolonged bullish strength. It was because of the fact that the EMA ranged from 12 to 26. Histogram top closed. Nonetheless, both the orange sellers and blue buyers' strengths were below the neutral mark. The two were trending upwards, as depicted in the above graph. As a result, given that the buyers somewhat outnumbered the selling, a transition to bullish control was possible. The OPV readings for balance volume were close to the bullish zone, suggesting that more gains on the chart could indicate robust buying pressure. SHIB's position in the supply chain has plummeted as a result of the influx of new stock. Sentiment reports that on December 8 the inflow of money reached a peak of $223 billion. It was $25.16 billion at the time of writing. SHIB investors' reluctance to reset the token was the root cause of this fall. Therefore, this implied that sellers were not exerting as much pressure. However, the outflow of foreign currency fell to $17.74 billion. Since it was a recession, he reasoned, there must not have been very strong demand to buy. Therefore, SHIB is expected to maintain its current price of approximately 9 cents. Up-to-date information on SHIBAs. As 2022 draws to a close, the SHIBA INU Metaverse team is gathering for a festive fireside conversation. While some major revelations are possible, the conversation may focus more on the project's roadmap moving forward. Changes have been made to the meme coin project in recent weeks. The official SHIBA token community will be holding their future fireside talk in a Discord event. The SHIBA INU Metaverse Holiday Fireside Chat is scheduled to recap the year's final endeavors. The future steps for the project may also be discussed. Using the upgrade released in the beginning of 2022, land in the SHIBA INU Metaverse can now be purchased with the SHIB token. The host will also be giving one participant a free SHIB. The public may anticipate that in the meanwhile, the team has promised several new surprises in addition to the 2022 roundup. The clock is ticking because the party is set for the end of the year, as stated on the invitation. Join us as we recap the year and look ahead based on market valuation as a group in Metaverse. Dogecoin Doge, which is competing with SHIBA INU, is presently rated 9th among cryptocurrencies, 6 places ahead of SHIBA INU. According to the cryptocurrency market data provider CoinMarketCap, her price is currently $0.916, an increase of 0.57% over the previous 24 hours. In the last 2 weeks, SHIB's price has fluctuated within the present range as the cryptocurrency market has struggled to the connected slaughter. A brief increase to the 96 cents area, in this case, might signal the start of a recovery rally for the meme coin. It is unclear, according to the most recent information available, whether or not a price increase for the token would be triggered by unexpected SHIBA INU related news from the Metaverse fireside discussion. The price of the SHIBA INU governance token, BOIN, rose by 10% ahead of the event, which will take place on Thursday, December 8 at 8:00 p.m. EST. BOIN is used in the DX administration system and is the gas token for the Siberian Layer 2 blockchain. There will likely be many applications for the SHIBA token once the SHIBA blockchain, which is presently in construction, is released. BOIN SHIB swap is designed to go along with the SHIB and leash, yet another token that fits the definition of a meme altcoin in terms of supply and demand. BOIN, the SHIBA INU community, or the SHIBA army, with the support of the governance token, can vote on future ideas from the community-run decentralized DAO. Any proposed new trade pairings on the decentralized SHIBA swap exchange will be put to a vote before being implemented. DEX. With BOIN, the hashtag Shibani can cast a vote on emerging proposals inside the SHIBA swap ecosystem. The higher a user's BOIN holdings, the more influential their votes will be in these upcoming endeavors. BOIN, with a total number of 250 million tokens, is designed to bridge the gap between the supply of the 2 preceding tokens, Uphold and Ethereum. The token's price increased by 10% over the past week, with one factor being the news of the exchange's listing of the token. BOIN was one of 7 alternative coins released by the Bitcoin trading site on November 30. As always, I appreciate you sticking around to the finish of the video. Do not forget to click the like button and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed the video so that you do not miss the arrival of future uploads.